Everyone is rushing to add AI to manufacturing. Most are about to learn a very expensive lesson. AI won't fix your broken processes, it will expose it faster at scale and in front of leadership. In this video, I'll show you 3 lean filters you must apply before you roll out AI. Skip them and you'll end up in a digitizing chaos. I am Nikhil from Process Masters. I work with operation teams on Lean Six Sigma and digital transformations in real manufacturing environment. Here is the promise. By the end of this video, you will know exactly whether your process is ready for AI or not, and what to fix first if it is not. Let me tell you what I keep on seeing. A company invests in AI. They have a computer vision, predictive maintenance, scheduling optimization. The pilot project looks very good. The dashboards are beautiful, the model flags issue, the accuracy is high. And then nothing improves. Because the AI didn't fail, the system failed. I saw a packaging line where AI started flagging defects non-stop. Week 1, lot of alerts. Week 2, even more. By the week 3, the alerts were ignored. Not because the AI was wrong, because nobody fixed the upstream causes. AI made the pain visible, and the organization wasn't ready to respond. People compensate for broken processes every day. They patch the problems with experience, with shortcuts, with workarounds, and with heroics. AI doesn't do heroics. AI follows the logic and the data. So if your process has unstable cycle time, hidden rework, tribal decision rule, inconsistent definitions, and firefighting as the operating model, AI will surface all of it. AI doesn't do sample, it measures everything. This is where most teams get stuck. They believe automation creates order. It doesn't. Automation multiplies whatever already exists. Good processes get faster, bad processes get louder. AI scales chaos just as efficiently it scales excellence. So before you use AI, run your process through these 3 lean filters. Filter number 1, waste. Don't teach AI to do a job that shouldn't exist. For example, take approvals. If a request bounces between emails for days, AI can't automate that bouncing, but that's still a waste. The rule is simple. Eliminate first, simplify second, automate last. So if you skip elimination, you automate nonsense. Filter number 2, stability and standard work. AI loves pattern, AI hates variation. If operator A runs the machine one way and operator B runs it another way, because I know better, your data become noise. You can't train a smart model on unstable work. Standard work doesn't mean laminated paper on the wall. It means the work is done the same way every time and exceptions are visible. No stability means no signal. Filter number 3, context and ownership. Data without context leads to wrong conclusions. If AI sees a temperature spike but doesn't know you were running a trial, doing maintenance, or swapping material, it learns the wrong story. Ownership matters too. If everyone owns the tool but no one owns the outcome, the alerts will die. AI needs data, context, and ownership, all 3 together. And now, here is the fastest way to check the readiness. I call it a manual AI test. So before you buy the AI tool, simulate it for 2 weeks. If it's computer vision, manually inspect and log what the AI would flag. If it's predictive maintenance, manually capture the reading on a schedule. And if it is a planning optimization, manually track constraint, changeover, and delays. 2 things happen very quickly. You find out whether your team can handle the volume of insights, and you find out whether the process needs stabilization before optimization. If the manual version collapses, the automated version will collapse faster. Here is the real shift leaders need to make. AI is not the solution, AI is the mirror. If you don't like what AI is showing you, don't blame the mirror. Fix the flow, remove the waste, stabilize the work, add context. Then AI becomes an accelerator. AI doesn't fix chaos, it multiplies it. If you are leading AI in operation, subscribe to Process Masters. This channel is all about Lean, Six Sigma and AI explained for real manufacturing, not for some vendor slides. So that's all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.